I'm here with Chirag, who's there on the bench.
What's up guys, how's it going today?
We are on Mount Emily. We might be checking out Kult Kafe later. Well, do you know anything about Mount Emily?
It's a cool place, lots of good food, beautiful people, and if you've got dogs, you can always go walk them around here. And if you like yoga, you gotta come by and check out Mr. Shane Pisani, who does a beautiful yoga class right over here on this gorgeous lawn at 7:30 in the morning. So wake up early, all you beautiful people. Welcome back guys. So in this episode we've already featured a little bit about Emily Hill. You've seen the beautiful park in the corner where they do the yogas. Woo! Hey, can you swing higher than me? And now we are at, as you can see over here, at the event itself. This is the Kult Kafe, one of the most interesting places in Singapore. They do a lot of very interesting events, like just a couple of weeks ago did Colombia's National Day. They'll be doing Brazil's National Day very soon as well. Today they've actually got some guys who are, well, not exactly from Cuba, but they're doing traditional Cuban style sandwiches or like pulled meats. Very nice, very tasty. Kult Kafe, big space if you want to throw a really nice interesting party, if you want to have a good time and listen to some music that you don't normally get anywhere else. Bring your dogs, bring your kids. You got lots of space for them to run around and go a little bit crazy without having to worry about. You just take it.
See? It's like red.
Come by to Kult Kafe. We care about you. Looking forward to it.
Oh my god, it's gonna rain.
And that's how you end it.
Okay, so
So what happens if it's gonna rain? Then you know what are you gonna do? You're gonna go whip out a brolly and you're gonna put it above you and protect the lady next to you because she's far more important than you, mate. You're not gonna melt. Or they do have a little shelter inside of a very nice bar that we're gonna go have a look at in a minute.
I think our specialty is just having an environment where everyone feels comfortable in. It's chilled, it's more of a chilled environment. We do a lot of events, but just that general chilled, laid back kind of vibe.
So how did this whole space came about, the whole concept?
I learned about this space because I'm friends with one of the founders of the Cult Gallery.
Yep.
I did an event here previously, about 5 years ago, and then I heard the space was becoming available, so just rolled the dice and yeah.
So who are you guys? Like, who is behind Kult Kafe?
Cult, so
Yeah.
there's basically there's myself and my partner Zach.
Okay.
And we have a partner who takes care of all the food and runs the kitchen.
And what is your favorite thing about Kult Kafe?
I think just the people that come here. It's very broad spectrum of people, very chilled, a lot of creative people,
Right.
a lot of musicians, artists, all kinds of creative people come here and enjoy the space. And so I get to meet a lot of interesting people and form new collaborations.
And if people want to find out more about Kult Kafe, where can they go to get more information?
At the moment, probably the best place would be our Facebook page or our website, so cultcafe.com.
Okay, cultcafe.com.
Cultcafe.com. From the website, all our social links are on there.
Wonderful. And you're open Wednesdays to Sundays?
Currently Wednesday to Sunday.
Okay.
We're looking at maybe opening Monday or Tuesday in the near future.
Well, whenever you guys are ready. Tom, any last words for our audience?
No, just stop by. Hope you enjoy Kult Kafe, and yeah, we'd be happy to welcome you here.
Fantastic. We look forward to seeing you guys over at Kult Kafe. Come by for some refreshing mint juleps, fancy beers, and watch Tom play some like amazing music and shake your ass a little bit to it. We'll see you guys soon.
Yeah.